So hello everyone, today we are going to solve the problem for stress calculation. So in mechanical engineering we are listening this word stress, so we have to calculate it lots of times. Okay, so we have input here, force, that is 1500.6 Newton, then area we have 230 mm square, and we have a stress formula, that is force by area, and the output is 6.524 MPa. So this is the problem with the solution. So we'll solve this problem using the Python and we'll automate our stress calculation program. So how to do this? For that we'll jump into the Python. So this is my PyCharm screen, you can see. So here I'll type my program for stress calculation. So first I'll enter the force. So capital F is equal to force, we have 1500.6, so it is in point 1500.6, it is in the point value. So we'll take it here float value. There is a two types, integer and float. So for point value we are taking the float, in small case, float value. We have to take the input from the user, so bracket, then again input, enter, here double comma, statement we have to print, statement we have to enter here. So enter the force acting on the object, okay, and it is calculated in Newton, capital N, bracket, will end the statement with the colon here. So first statement is done. So this is the input we have to take from the user. So user will enter the force acting on the object. And second is area is equal to, again float value, float, again input from the customer. So input in a double comma, enter the cross sectional area, okay, and it is in mm square. So we'll take it mm square like this and end the statement with the colon. So two statements are done, force and area. So here we'll take the input from the user, that is force and area, and then we'll calculate the stress. So stress is equal to force by area, so F by A, end the statement, and then print the stress value. So print bracket double comma stress acting on the object, that is in MPa. So MPa, will try it like this, we'll close this statement and give the comma and print the stress, okay. So it will highlight exactly in this color, white is appearing here, okay. So we are printing the stress now, okay. So this is the program writing is done for the stress calculation. So now I'll run this program. So for the run, I'll go here, I'll run this. So you can see here, enter the force acting on the object, is asking to enter the value, okay. So I'll input like for 1500.6 the value, then enter the cross section area, that is 230. So you will get the output, stress acting on the object is 6.524. You can cross check here, the value is 6.524 MPa, okay. So we solve this example using the Python programming, okay. So if you again return and you can say like any random value, if you put here like say 1700, then force will say 250.6. So it will show the stress acting on the object is 6.78. So this is now automate, like if you have two inputs, force and area, you can calculate the stress, just enter two values, you will get the stress, no need to calculate by yourself, okay. So you can use this program for stress calculation, okay. So you can automate strain calculation or any other for numerical problems using the Python, okay.